Y'all, I don't know what looks crazier right now. My hair or my kitchen. First, before I show you the Frankenstein of a kitchen that I have right now, I'm gonna show you my inspo, and you guys have already seen them before, but not exactly like this, but this is my like style, aesthetic inspiration. So I'm just gonna show you. Basically, I want tons of open shelving. I want tons of plants and lots of cute knickknacks, I guess, on the shelf. Forever, I have been obsessed kind of like with whiting out everything. And now I crave some character a little bit, you know? My living room has tons of character, mostly thrifted pieces, colorful pops, and my kitchen had just been stark white and boring, so boring. When we moved in, it was quite the eyesore. It was like creamsicle, orange, Margaritaville. I'll have to see if I can dig up a picture and put it in here somewhere. But it was so loud and I was just like, nope. So we actually painted it like a wine color and got a very pretty wine and gray granite countertops and painted the cabinets white. And I loved that for a while. And then I got obsessed with the whole whiting out everything. And this kitchen may still be predominantly white, except for adding in colorful decor like plants and cute little pots and knickknacks. I'm heavily debating whether or not I should paint the lower cabinets a dark or misty green. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I know it's silly to debate something like that because you can just paint it back if you don't like it, but that's a lot of work and time and money, and I just want to be sure, and I don't want to be wrong. I have a problem with being wrong, but I do love it white. It looks clean. I feel like the green and painting the floor something fun would just add a lot more character to the kitchen. What would you do? Let's go see what it looks like right now. And here is the cabinets gone. So I'm bringing someone in, a family friend, to help replace the drywall right here. And then we'll get it all fixed up so I can do some shelving. I think what I want to do is put some short shelves here, put some longer shelves here, and then I'm debating one shelf all the way across and doing like a bar right here to hang some copper pots and pans. Alright, so the guy who's coming to help me replace the drywall is almost here. I will see you guys in a little bit and I will show you what it looks like after we finish. Let's be real right now. Oh my goodness, we decided to paint some of the kitchen pink. I'm just kidding, guys. That's the drywall paint. Drywall paint? No. That is spackling. It goes on pink so I can see what I'm doing, and then it dries white. So we did a full coat so we can paint in the morning. Okay guys, today is a super exciting day. The drywall is dry and I am going to pick paint swatches for the cabinets and go get our shelving and our brackets and all of the stuff that we need to make this complete. Come with me. Are you a drummer? I guess we'll know if they're level. If the plates come sliding off. Are you measuring, Essie? What do you think? You think we have enough room? Alright guys, the white of the floor is done and the stencil comes in, or the stencil came in today, but I'm waiting on the gold paint which comes in tomorrow. But I'm going to go ahead and seal the white and then we are going to get started on the stencil and then we are done. I'm so excited to say I am thrilled about how this turned out, like super understatement. I can't wait to show you guys. You got a hat? So I pulled up the stencil and it looks as good as I've gotten it so far. So we're gonna go with that. The adhesive spray and the makeup sponges. Now, I did not see this in a tutorial, but it's my idea to limit paint touch-ups. I'm going to take a pointed Q-tip and some soapy water and very lightly go over where it bled just a teeny tiny bit. So I am 6 tiles in, and remind me to never ever do something like this again. 4 trips to the store for different things. Finally found a method that works. Still leaves gunky residue behind on the tile. Still bleeds a little bit under the stencil, but it works the best.